Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. Friends, in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish, very pretty black color designer mask, and all of these embroidery patterns are totally based on Christmas celebration theme based. Santa embroidery, Santa gifts, Santa teddy, Christmas tree, and much more related to the Christmas celebrations. So one by one we will be discussing them. Before that, kindly subscribe my channel if you haven't, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Masks are a very stylish, pretty and safe idea to get dressed and look chic, but take care of yourselves as well, as we know that COVID-19 has been termed as a very dangerous and pandemic virus, and it has affected badly in a massive number of human community. So it is our duty to take care of ourselves and our loved ones. With these masks, if you will be wearing while wherever you go in your Christmas celebration or Christmas based theme parties, or wherever you have a black based theme, then these would be extremely suitable and highly appreciable. So I would suggest you to kindly try these patterns. You can make them by using hand embroidered stitches and as well as machine embroidery. So my prime suggestion is to keep wearing masks so that your Christmas celebrations would not be disturbed and you could stay protected from many other minor acute breathing problems, pollen allergies, dust allergies, and many other small acute health issues. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. We will soon be back with you.